Make yourself comfortable, either sitting in a supportive chair or lying down in a place where you can remain undisturbed. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Let your eyes close whenever you are ready. There is nothing you need to achieve right now. This is simply a time to be present with yourself. Begin by noticing your breathing. Breathe in slowly through your nose, then gently breathe out. Continue at a calm, comfortable pace, allowing each breath to become a little smoother, a little easier. Every breath invites a greater sense of peace, creating space between you and the demands of the day. Bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a soothing wave of comfort beginning there, gently softening every small muscle across your scalp. Feel that pleasant sensation slowly moving down to your forehead, smoothing away any signs of tension. Let your eyebrows soften. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Allow your eyelids to rest comfortably. Soften your cheeks, your jaw, your lips, leaving your mouth relaxed in its most natural position. Notice this feeling flowing into your neck, releasing any tightness you no longer need to carry. Let it move across your shoulders, inviting them to settle comfortably. Feel the relaxation spreading into your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, your hands, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Every breath allows this peaceful feeling to deepen naturally. Now bring your attention to your chest. Feel your breathing becoming steady and calm. Allow your heart area to soften with every gentle exhale. Let this wave of relaxation continue into your upper back, your middle back, your lower back, easing each muscle one at a time. Feel your abdomen relaxing completely, allowing each breath to flow freely without effort. And notice this calm sensation continuing into your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet, finally reaching every toe. From the very top of your head to the tips of your toes, your entire body is resting comfortably. Your mind begins to settle in the same peaceful way, becoming quieter with every slow breath. In a moment, imagine yourself walking along a beautiful natural path. This path is safe, peaceful, and welcoming. With each number I count down, you naturally drift into a calmer state of relaxation. 10. Stepping onto the path with curiosity. 9. Noticing the fresh air surrounding you. 8. Feeling calm with every gentle step. 7. Hearing birds singing nearby. 6. Enjoying the peaceful sound of nature. 5. Feeling wonderfully relaxed. 4. Becoming more focused within. 3. Peaceful, comfortable, calm. 2. Almost completely relaxed. And 1. Fully settled into this quiet inner place. Standing on this peaceful path, notice how kind nature is. The trees never compare themselves with one another. Every flower blooms in its own season. Every stream follows its own unique course. Nature does not criticize itself for growing slowly or changing with the seasons. It simply grows, adapts, learns, and continues. Allow yourself to recognize that you, too, are part of that same natural wisdom. There has never been a requirement for you to be perfect. There has only been the opportunity to grow. Every experience you have lived has helped shape who you are today. Every challenge has taught you something valuable. Every mistake has carried a lesson that could never have been learned in any other way. Imagine placing every harsh judgment you have ever spoken to yourself into a small leaf resting beside the path. Notice each critical thought becoming lighter as it settles onto the leaf. One by one, those old words begin to drift away on a gentle stream, moving far into the distance until they disappear completely. There's no need to chase them. There's no need to hold on to them. They have served their purpose. You are free to release them now. And notice how much quieter your mind becomes when self-criticism fades. Beneath those familiar habits, there has always been another voice awaiting patiently. This voice speaks with honesty, encouragement, wisdom, and compassion. It understands that learning takes time. It celebrates progress instead of demanding perfection. It notices effort. It appreciates courage. It recognizes resilience. Allow that compassionate voice to become clearer now. Perhaps it gently says, "I'm learning." Perhaps it reminds you, "I am worthy of kindness." Perhaps it simply whispers, "I am enough." Whatever words come naturally, allow yourself to accept them without resistance. Let them settle comfortably into your heart. Imagine meeting a version of yourself standing further along the path. This version of you carries confidence without arrogance, peace without pretending, strength without pressure. And notice the expression on this person's face. See the calmness in their eyes. This future version of you has learned how to replace criticism with understanding. They know that treating themselves with kindness has never made them weak. It has made them stronger. The wiser version smiles warmly as they approach you. They gently place a hand over your heart, offering acceptance without conditions. You immediately understand that you never needed to earn your worth. Your value has always existed simply because you are you. Take a moment to absorb that truth. You deserve patience. You deserve encouragement. You deserve forgiveness. You deserve compassion. You deserve to feel safe within your own mind. Allow these truths to settle more deeply with every breath. From this moment forward, whenever an old critical thought appears, you naturally pause before believing it. You recognize it as an old habit rather than absolute truth. Instead of judging yourself, you become curious. Instead of blaming yourself, you choose understanding. Instead of expecting perfection, you celebrate progress. Each day, it becomes easier to speak to yourself with respect. Each day, it becomes easier to notice your strengths. Each day, it becomes easier to forgive yourself for being human. Each day, your confidence grows from genuine self-acceptance rather than impossible expectations. Every kind word you offer yourself strengthens new pathways in your mind. Self-compassion becomes more familiar. Self-respect becomes more natural. Self-trust grows quietly, steadily, consistently. Imagine carrying this peaceful feeling with you into tomorrow. Picture yourself responding calmly when something does not go as planned. See yourself encouraging yourself the same way you would encourage someone you truly love. Notice how different your day feels when your inner voice becomes your greatest supporter rather than your harshest critic. Take another slow breath, allowing these positive changes to become firmly established within your subconscious mind. Trust that your mind knows exactly how to continue this healthy transformation long after this session has ended. Every day, your relationship with yourself becomes warmer, healthier, and more accepting, more peaceful. Kindness becomes your natural way of thinking. Compassion becomes your natural response. Confidence grows from genuine self-worth. Now, it is time to return, bringing back this sense of calm, confidence, and self-acceptance within you. I will count from 1 to 5. 1. becoming gently aware of your breathing. 2. Noticing your body resting comfortably. 3. Bringing fresh energy into your arms and legs. 4. Taking a deeper, refreshing breath. And 5. Eyes open whenever you are ready, fully aware, present, and calm. Feel free to return to this hypnosis whenever you feel you need it. The more often you listen, the more these positive supportive patterns can become familiar, helping your subconscious mind adapt healthier ways of thinking, feeling, and responding. And if you are looking for a personal bespoke hypnosis experience designed specifically for your unique needs and goals, please check the details in the description to book your free therapy consultation. I would be delighted to help you create positive and meaningful change through a hypnosis session tailored just for you.